So guys, welcome to Tappin's World. I'm going to show you how I make this delicious seafood boil that you're looking at right here. So stay tuned if you're interested. So guys, I'm going to show you how I make my seafood boil. So I had water and I add this chicken seasoning in it. It's Jamaican chicken season. Most people use chicken broth. I just rather use the chicken season itself with the water. And then I have my shrimp, my jumbo shrimp, my crab legs. It's not a lot, but I wanted a little bit of crab legs in it. And then I have my whole thing of mussels. Also, I have my corn, these extra sweet mini corn, and then my potatoes. So now I'm just waiting for my pot to boil, and then I'll continue with the cooking. I'll be back. So guys, now it's time to add the mussels. My pot steamed. Guys, I might have too much light. I forgot to to show you when I add the potato in, but I add the potatoes, guys. The potatoes are here. I'm about to add the corn. I'm adding the shrimp last because shrimp's very easy to cook. Alright, I'll be back. So guys, while my other seafood is cooking, this is my butter. I am about to put in my seasoning that I already have here. It's onion, green pepper, some scallion, and some thyme. I'm going to add some garlic to it. I love garlic, guys, so I don't even know how much tablespoon this is, but this is my garlic. I'm just going to let this simmer for a little bit, okay? And I'll be back. To my seasoning, I'm going to add some lemon pepper seasoning. And then I'm going to add some paprika. I'll let that simmer for a little bit. I add honey to it as well. And then some ketchup for coloring. I also have my Jamaican pickle pepper seasons. It's basically vinegar with habaneros, carrot, chocho, and some pimento seed, all marinated in the vinegar. So the vinegar is very spicy. And I'm going to add everything to my season right here. So guys, ketchup. I took that out too quick. Ketchup, my vinegar water. I don't want the pepper in it because I have my pepper to add to it later. So a lot of vinegar makes it tangy. I also have garlic powder, even though I have fresh garlic in it already. And then I add some Italian seasoning in it. Hold on, let me switch hands. Sorry for the shaking. And then now I just saute everything. Let it cook down. I know the ketchup got all over it. So now I add water to it to bring it up. Then I add the honey. I don't measure it, I just pour. I don't want it too sweet, but I just want to give it a little bit of sweetness in it. Oh my god, guys, so I'm so into cooking mode that I forgot to show you that I add the shrimp and the crab legs in. It's just that type of night, so guys gotta forgive me. But I add the shrimp and the crab legs in. They're right here. And see the shrimp on top? They're about to be done now. I'm multitasking, so guys, you gotta forgive me. But yeah, it's pretty much done. And then my thing is done here too. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the finished product afterwards. But yeah, this is done. So here is the finished product from my seafood boil. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.